Hello, welcome to Junji Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce one of my favorite food ingredients for Korean cooking, which is perilla. Perilla leaves, perilla powder, and perilla oil. I already used those three for my cooking, so you might remember I'm using it a lot. Um, After shortly introducing those three, then I'm going to make a simple pasta using three of those at once. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. I will tell you a little bit more about this. Perilla leaves. This really goes well with pork, so when you eat a Korean barbecue, you might see it all the time. And you can make kimchi with it, and really good ingredients for any kind of food. This is perilla powder. There are two kinds, grounded before peeled, grounded after peeled. This is the one grounded after peeled. And it looks quite similar to almond powder. It has a special, delicious, nutty flavor. Quite delicious. This is perilla oil. Really delicious and healthy oil. You can actually drink for your health like extra virgin olive oil. It has particular smells, really good, and taste. But you should remember you have to keep this oil in your fridge after you opened, not like sesame oil. Using those three, I will make pasta. For the pasta, noodle, I'm going to make a simple sauce, just 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of perilla oil. This is for 2 servings amount, but you can add more soy sauce or perilla oil as you like. Just mix well before you add into the pasta. The perilla oil is weak to heat, so we hardly use this for cooking oil. For this pasta, I'm going to julienne the perilla leaves like this, or thinly as possible. I really like these perilla leaves, so sometimes I make kimchi with this. And if you can get this, I really recommend to try yourself. Well, pasta cooked, and add the sauce into the pasta and mix well. You will smell the oil when you mix this like this. It's really delicious smell. I usually serve like this. After pasta, put 1 tablespoon perilla powder on top, like this. Perilla powder, when you mix, it makes the texture thicker, so I'm going to add half tablespoons of perilla oil too. And then garnish with perilla leaves, julienne perilla leaves like this. Mix well when you eat. It really goes well with other dishes like vegetable, meat, and seafood. Well, how was it? Quite simple pasta, but quite delicious. Perilla oil, if you can get those, just try to use it for your own cooking. It's really good for simple salad oil, and you can make it. You can use it for making marinating sauce or just dipping sauce. It's quite useful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.